Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get the Nintendo Switch online membership completely for free, guys, with a promo code on a website that I found. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I can vouch for it. I've used it multiple times and this is really cool, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It's fully working. You don't need a computer, jailbreak, or anything like that. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super cool, guys. Fully working method, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, we need to visit zestcoupons.com. That's the site, bro. So once you're on this site, basically just go to the search bar and type in Nintendo Switch Online. So let me just do that right here, and as you can see, it says Nintendo Switch Free Online Membership. So just press See More and then scroll down and press Show Coupon and then press Unlock Code, and now we're just going to wait. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try this out for yourself because it's fully working, guys. Super cool. So, yeah, let's look up how much it costs, bro. Nintendo Switch online membership cost. Bro, I bet it's like thousands of dollars. It's $3.99 every 30 days, guys. So I wouldn't encourage spending any money on this when you can get everything for free, bro. Just go over to zestcoupons.com and you can get the free Nintendo Switch online membership, bro. So yeah, be sure to go and try this out for yourself. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool. I've looked into a couple of these methods. They're all bullshit, honestly, but this one's real. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself if you need like free shit. Because like, why don't you want the games for free? So yeah, be sure to go and try this out, guys. It's really easy as well. You just got to go over to zestcoupons.com. Gonna be all good, bro. So yeah, just try us out right now because it's actually working, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe because this is super cool and it's like updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys have fun with this method because it's like real and stuff, so people should be educated about this stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, get the word out. Super cool, fully working version, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel, get the word out about this method. It's super cool, fully updated tutorial, guys. If this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.